What's up, everybody? I want to talk about this cool project. So this is the moose I made. So this is a really cool project and one of my favorites so far. So I used a lot of black walnut and cherry, some camphor in here for the ears, Chechen, and then Gaboon Ebony for the eyes. So this project was made using my DeWalt 788 scroll saw. So I also made other projects like this moose, but I also made like this lion, my very unique and super popular cardinal, and this one has a backer on it, so that's really cool. But also, I also make some random projects sometimes. So here is one of the saber-tooth squirrels I made. So I made a saber-tooth squirrel, moose. Here is the saber-tooth weasel, which was just an odd little creation. So this is one of my favorites right here, and so is this saber-tooth squirrel. So these are very unique. No one else has these. These are one of a kind. So we will probably make some more of these, but as of right now, these are it. So check those out. So you can see the different grain in there and stuff. So we use different woods. So black walnut, the body's black walnut, the fangs are maple, some camphor in there. So check that out. So then I just made the eyes with little dots right there. So like I said, we got this lion. So this lion's actually part of a bigger project, so it has a spacer on the back, so the wood isn't that thick. So it's only about 3/4, but the piece of plywood makes it stick up farther. So we have this project. I've done some other ones. Sea turtle. We have a sea turtle right here that we've done. So the sea turtle was really cool. Like I said, we got a bunch of ton of other projects. So I want to make sure everyone's seeing what we do, what kind of stuff we make, all the cool stuff. Sea turtle. This squirrel was super popular before. This isn't my pattern. I ended up purchasing this pattern, but this squirrel was really popular. There's a little acorn right there if you can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it with my hand in the way, but that was a fun little project. Lions and stuff. This one I have to fix. The project shifted, so I gotta take all the glue off the back side of it. But yeah. So we use a lot of cherry and black walnut, if you guys haven't noticed. So with that lion cub, you're going to have that. There's the body, and then there's the head. So I did make them separate because I wanted the face to stick up a little more. But that just goes together like a little puzzle. So really cool. He does not have a tail because actually the father lion is kind of behind him. So there was no way to actually put a tail on it. So that's how I like to do my projects. If I can, I will make it as one solid piece, and I'll make a backer for it. But sometimes I do this. So it actually will stick farther out like that, so it'll look realistic. So actually it'll sit probably like that behind the lion. So you can see a little depth to it. Makes the face stick out. So bunch of different woods in there. So we got oak, Gaboon Ebony, that's a piece of maple for the chin, some maple under the eyes. Those are actually dowel rods or skewers for actually the grill. And then there is a